In this example, I'm going to show you how to use the app. So I'm here on the login screen for the dealership pre-owned or new vehicle inventory. This is a new vehicle, so I'll jump in here and take a quick look. What we see is the entire dealership's inventory on this screen. So we get a data feed from your DMS or your website provider and load it into our app so that when you go out to merchandise, everything's on the app automatically. At the top of the screen here, we can search by anything. We could say RAV4, we could put in the stock number. I'm going to put in the stock number. Top of the list, so I selected that item. So from here, I'm going to start by taking a new video. So we'll tap Take New Video, and this launches us into the video editing screen. So at this point, I'm going to step out and begin capturing my video. This is our video editing screen, and I like to start here on the front of the vehicle with the iPhone, and then I'm just going to go ahead and walk all the way around the vehicle at a nice even pace, steady pace. Here we go. So again, I'm walking at a nice even steady pace. My goal is to keep the vehicle framed bumper to bumper within the viewfinder of my iPhone, and I want to position or stage the vehicle so that the sun hits directly down on it like it is now, shadows falling behind the vehicle in this case. That's my preference. You may have a different preference. And again, I'm just walking around the outside to give an overall view of the vehicle. Of course, you could get closer up if you want to. That's an option, and I'll show that in the next clip. So that's stopping video number 1. And I'm just going to use that video as part of my stream. And now here I am in back to the editor, and I'm going to collect a second clip here, and this might be an exterior video. Again, you can do it however you like, but I just want to show the condition of the tires, the wheels, maybe get a little bit closer up to the vehicle, and again, just demonstrating the quality and condition of the vehicle for the customer. And I try to limit my clips to about 30 seconds each. And in this case, I'm now going inside, so I've changed my focus or my focal point on my iPhone. I'm going zooming out half times. And the reason being is I want to be in that wide angle mode when I go inside, so I'm able to capture more of the vehicle and not have to be so close to everything. And again, just a nice even pace. I don't want to do it too fast because that makes people sick to their stomach when they're watching the video. But I do want to make sure I'm capturing the full video or the full vehicle, in its best light. So here I am in the back of it. I'm just going to pan up front, give an overall feel of the driver's compartment. And this one does have the sunroof, and it has some charging ports down here on the floor. I want to demonstrate the quality of and the condition of the interior. And I'm going to use that clip. And then I'm going to capture a clip here in the trunk. And I'll go with a wide angle view here as well. And just kind of capture any of the highlights or the high points in the back here. Once again, just showing the overall condition of the vehicle. So in this next section, I'm going to move on to capturing photos. And the app allows you to capture as many photos as you want. For this example, I'm only going to capture 5 or 6, just to give you a sense of how easy it is to use. And one of the great things about the photo functionality is the user can set up the order of photos, the take order, however makes sense to the workflow. So as you can see here, I'm moving clockwise around the vehicle, but then the app allows you to change the order on which they're exported to your website. So maybe you don't want the first photo taken to be the first photo on your website. We can change the distribution order so that it appears on your website in the order that you want it to. So it does make it very, very efficient to be able to do that. And as I like to say, the combined order of photos and videos and the amount of time it takes to do both photos and videos, typically 5 to 7 minutes to physically take the photos and the videos, and then perhaps another 3 to 4 minutes, depending on your connectivity, to publish them out to your website. And depending on your implementation, that is how we set it up on your website, it could be set up to go real time to your website, meaning as soon as I hit export on the app, the vehicle within less than a minute will appear on your website. So once again, makes it super easy. So here the app is simply asking me to confirm what I've got: a 2.2 minute 5-second video. 9 out of 31 photos have been taken. I'm going to accept that, and we're going to go ahead and processing it and pushing it back up to the website. So this additional piece here will take me another 2 to 3 minutes, and while I'm waiting for it to do that, I'm just going to park the RAV4 back into inventory. Thanks for watching. Finally, here's a short clip of the finished product. Notice our software took all the bounce out of the video, and it ends up looking nice and smooth and clean.